Hello everyone. This lecture is on urogenital tuberculosis, the role of sonography. This lecture will be covered under the headings of pathology, epidemiology, reactivation tuberculosis, which usually affects the urinary tract, and the stages of urogenital tuberculosis, the clinical presentation, and sonographic diagnosis of the tuberculosis of the urinary tract as well as genital tract in male and female will be covered in this lecture. And what is the hallmark of sonographic appearance in urogenital tuberculosis to get a specific diagnosis that will be covered, which is more important. If you would like to listen to the lecture, please log on to shonoshare.in.